Hola, yo soy Lisa de la cocinera con recetas saludables. Hoy estoy compartiendo un video de mis nietos demostrando cómo preparar s'mores de una forma divertida. Espero que se rían tanto como me reí yo con ellos. Estos muchachos son graciosos. Los s'mores es una combinación de 3 ingredientes que se originó en Estados Unidos y en Canadá. Los ingredientes son chocolate, galleta Graham y los marshmallow. Esos son los únicos ingredientes que necesitamos. Pero antes de comenzar, espero que se puedan suscribir al canal y compartir el video. Se los voy a agradecer. Así que vamos a comenzar para que vean cómo estos chicos preparan los s'mores. Así que espero que les guste. So before we get started, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to the channel and join me through Facebook and my new group where I also am sharing some of my videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video that I am doing with my grandkids, and so have some fun with it just like I did. This is really more of a fun video. You guys know what s'mores are. We like to eat them all year round. So come and join me. Let's get started. Welcome again to my channel, where today I have my 2 grandkids showing you how easy and fun it is to make s'mores. We're making s'mores. Come on, guys. Your kitchen. You guys do this. I'm just gonna watch.
Okay, so first
We take
You take the gram.
I got the
okay, we take the gram. Cam, take the gram.
gram.
You put it down.
Put it down.
Second, you take the chocolate. Cam, get you a piece of chocolate.
I know how to open it.
Then you get your 2 big puffies. Stick them right there. You get another gram. Smack it like that. And then what you gotta do is reassemble the whole thing because I did it wrong. You snap it like that. My gram is destroyed, so I'm not using that one. You do it like that. Yeah, that looks good. You put this like that. And like that, you have your s'more. Then we're going to put this in the fire. We gotta, smoke it up. Put some chipotle sauce on it, and it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah,
right.
Does that go to the microwave?
Yep, it goes in the microwave. It's gonna be so good.
Let me see how yours is looking.
Mine's bad. I just cracked.
Actually, it's looking pretty good.
Mine's
All right,
not.
so it's time to go to the microwave, right?
Yeah, okay. Well, wasted pizza. Gotta taste that shit if it's not poison, Gotta be
Why?
sci-fi.
It's our food. Why would we
Oh,
poison
that's good.
our own food? Why would we poison
Oh,
our own food?
Well,
This is
yeah.
so cracky.
yeah. Oh, god dang.
It cracks.
Yeah. Okay.
That's part of s'mores
Just
anyway.
like it. That's in mine.
Okay. Let's
Stuff
just
over
not
here.
forget the chipotle sauce.
Yeah, we're gonna reassemble it.
This
Maybe you should put the cracker
No.
later on.
No, that's not how it goes.
No? Not how it goes? Okay.
How it goes. Okay, yeah, make sure it bounces. It's not bouncing. Okay. That's nice.
What you go, 30 seconds?
Yeah, boy. For about 30. Let's see what happens after 30 seconds. So we're just gonna wait here.
not like
Waiting.
it's not like we're frying
waiting.
worms. Not like-
Let's see how Camden's doing. Come over here. Cam, how you doing?
Doing good. I think the secret is to put the marshmallow first and then the chocolate.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Yeah, that's not the base. That's good. This is
So
a
you
gram.
already take the chocolate off? Yeah, I did that too.
Oh my god. Oh my. Okay.
Cheese!
Okay.
Yeah, that didn't go expectedly. They jiggle. Now they're. Oh,
This
god.
is definitely spot. So big. Wait, it still looks like. Wait,
I gotta take a bite out of it. So.
wait. It looks like the box. It looks exactly like the box.
Okay.
You melt it?
Yeah,
Let me
it's
show
melted.
people what it looks like.
Yeah, I have it.
Something.
Yeah. Let's see how. Oh god, it's on my hand. Tastes like goodness. Hot.
Yeah,
My Hershey bar just melted.
But it is melted.
Ah.
I hope that fell on you.
Mmm.
Oh, come on. Not to eat the chocolate again. Not to eat the chocolate again.
We're just doing that on purpose.
So it's good?
Oh.
All right, so I think Camden, it's your turn to put yours in the microwave. Do one at a time
I'm
first.
indulgent.
Right, Cam? This is yours?
Yeah.
All right, so let's put this in the microwave because you can reach.
Do it for 20 seconds.
Okay, so we got 20. This is Camden. Hold on.
God.
It's been in the microwave. It's gonna feel like hot lava.
All right, guess you want to sit down and try yours now?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Wait a minute, watch this. Hey guys, watch this. Okay, I can't move.
How you doing over
I'm
here?
gonna take a.
I don't know how to
bite
get
into
it.
the marshmallow. It's alright. Sorry.
Okay, go sit down on your side of the table.
I can't pick it up.
Okay.
I can pick mine up.
So this is the result of, what are we eating?
S'mores.
S'mores.
Okay. And how do we make that?
We just have three
It's
simple
a big
ingredients.
mess. It's a very big
Graham
mess.
crackers, honey made. Not sponsored, so don't look at the label. Jet puff, don't look at the label. And then we have some Hershey's. Yeah, Hershey's. That's what it says. It's definitely not the other guys Hershey's.
It says and you may think our chocolate Reese's, it's actually pieces. Japanese.
What?
Anything you want to say to everybody else that saw how you just made this delicious dessert for kids?
I got something.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see what you got to say.
It's not easy.
Why?
Be prepared for a mess.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it worth it?
You wanna try?
Oh yeah.
Let me see your cookie. Let me see how yours came out. Oh, look at that.
Look how messy my face looks.
Look at that.
My messy side. This is my messy side. This is my messy side of that marshmallow.
All right, guys. You guys want to say bye now?
Alien chocolate.
And that's it. Say bye.
Bye.
Adios.
Adios. Ciao.
Say something in Spanish.
Hola. Hola.
Chimichangas.
Bueno.
Eat these. Can you eat these for me? Please make these, por favor. Por favor. These. Yes.
Okay, turn it off.
Say bye.
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 Do not try. Wait. Don't do it yet. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, we're definitely not messy because this is, yeah.
We're definitely not.
We're definitely not.
Subscribe. Hit the bell. Give us 28 likes at a time. 600 people watch it at a time. That's the rule. And then let's go.